Why would running not be insinuating quick?
I said that insinuates quick.
Game 3.
I was just making it.
You're being sarcastic. I'm drawing.
You know what?
Shut up.
Okay? You and your logic.
Austin, shut up.
Go.
If there's glare, I am sorry.
Do you have money, Johnny?
Austin, do you have
Do
money?
you have money, Johnny? Randomly in the video.
Good. Give me some money.
He needs gas money or he needs to do something.
Randomly in the video. Just, you got money? Yeah. I got money.
2 Austin's enemies.
Man, we got CIA walk outside all hidden, right?
Shank.
That's what the CIA does. They knife people.
They knife people? Are you serious?
For bitching at somebody on YouTube comments.
Nah, it's just
they knife people.
Of course they do. They have to. It makes perfect sense.
I was number 1. We just cut top order.
he was 1, I was 2nd, and then like Dale and what's his face was 3rd and 4th.
I want to do more than that. That's fine. Honestly. 25?
Hey Zach, how'd you do?
What are you playing with now? I play it Monday.
When?
Extra dad.
Okay.
Good
I
dad.
don't want to do it right now.
You like it?
Bottomless.
Faster.
Yeah, battery's fine.
I get like 50s my platform.
Joe, I need you to FTK right now.
I'm going to try to.
Need you to OTK.
TK.
Do that 1 turn kill. Double grind.
Hold on.
Double grinder golem. Go ahead.
Got Monster Reborn.
Oh yeah.
Air Force? I had the Spanish one. It's legal. I have the Spanish. Probably bad.
Which ones do you need?
This is pro.
You're cool.
Okay.
Does this thing record audio?
Yeah.
No, we can't.
Alright. I don't know about
It's a really cheap ass camcorder.
you have a really creepy smile.
I do have a really creepy smile.
Go on.
It's a pedo smile. So I'm a pedophile. Now the CIA is really after me. What? What are you looking at?
Did you get what you wanted?
Alright. Yeah, that's right. I'm into it.
Stop showing your hand, Mike. You're in the shot.
That's Jack off, guys.
Just like, where'd you come up with the idea?
I heard about it and I made it better. I heard about somebody telling me about this deck.
I heard about somebody telling me about this deck.
Go.
He heard from somebody who heard something.
They're telling me they ran into something that was like this at regionals.
Pretty much. Yo, Dexter, you want to be in the you want to be in the video? You want to be on YouTube?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
My battery's about to die, Sheldon.
He's about to wedge.
I'm hungry.
I think.
I'm hungry, so
Yeah. You got how much?
you don't want to try and use your sword tray to get some soda.
That's game. That's game.
Okay.
Yay.
I'm asking you, did you get what you wanted?
Food time.
No, I didn't get this game.
Best game, YouTube.
But look at all the stuff I would
I
have
gotta
drawn.
use this one, though.
Or something.
Look at all the stuff I would have drawn.
Okay, then just grab your stuff.
All right.